Time for some more noise. Right, what's going on guys, welcome back to another video. You've probably seen the title already that we're fitting a downpipe to the GTI. That's what was in the box that I showed you in the previous video. Ignore the wiring and stuff, we still haven't sorted out the boot. But yeah, what we're doing today is something a bit more fun. It's sort of a stopgap until I put my full exhaust on. I'm going to put a full turbo back system on the car. But I just had an idea. I went on eBay the other day, literally just typed in Mark V GTI downpipe, DECAT one of course. The first thing that came up, I just ordered it. It is a 3-inch system. The quality, I don't know, looks alright. I'm sure it's nothing too fancy. But yeah, it only cost me about £100, about I think like 108 or something like that. But yeah, the plan right now, I'm gonna head over to a garage in Coventry. We're gonna use a ramp there, get it installed, and yeah, just see how it sounds. Garage should be somewhere around here. It's called Auto 4Motion. They've done a few crazy builds in the past, like TFSI caddies and stuff. So yeah, let's see where it is. All right, so I finally found it. There's just so many units around here. Nice E46 M3. Yeah, we'll get the car inside and then yeah, we'll get started. Right, so I'm gonna get the car up on the lift. Here it is in this amazing packaging. This is the bit that will attach straight to the turbo. It's come with a little gasket as well and the bolts decatted. I'm gonna take the bracket off the old one as well and put it on this. Supports it, and then we've got this plain middle pipe here. Might do actually get a sound clip of it before and then do it after one as well. This car's so quiet standard. The downpipe will probably throw an EML light. It's just how it is because the car's not tuned. But yeah, I'll give you guys some revs now. The car's all warmed up. Right, so I got the engine cover off. It's better when I've got my intake at home. I'm going to put that on there. We don't have to do that every time we want to access the engine bay. There's a few bolts on the top that we've got to get off from the guides I looked at. And there's a downpipe attaching on just to there. It's just all brown because I don't think this car's ever been cleaned, or the exhaust is all just bodged together anyway because it's really old. But I'll just show you guys some of the cars in the garage anyway. We've got this full sleeper here which says 2.5 TDI on the back. Actually got an R30 turbo in there. Have a look at the front anyway. Figures on this are to be confirmed, but it's a VR6 turbo. It's got around between 600 and 800 horsepower. That's what the guys are telling me anyway. Even look at the tires. It's got R888s on there. We've got an Edition 30 here too. Gives you guys an idea what a KO4 engine bay looks like. The only difference here from what you can see is this bit here. Off the intake you got this DV relocation pipe, so this is what I'm going to do on mine. Does look good in white to be fair. There's mine just there. There's that E46 M3 outside. We have got gloves on today as well from TPS. First I'm going to get those bolts undone on the top and we'll get it up on the lift and just have a look underneath. We did have a brief look underneath when we did that inspection video, but I can't really remember how it looked to be fair. It's kind of all just rusted, and remember the back box is pretty much welded on anyway, it's just all a mess. Alright, so we've got the light on there so you can have a look a bit better. It'd help if it was all brown, but that's it there. And I'm going to use 16mm, just a deep setted one. I had a sort of short one but it's not long enough. Right, so I took the lambda sensor off as well, and there's another bolt back there which is off now. So the two top ones are off. Luckily they have got thread on them for once. Most of the bolts on this car have got no thread. It's kind of like a DIY but not fully, so you know, don't follow everything exactly how I do it because I'm doing it for the first time as well. So yeah, we're gonna get the car up. So it's going to be hard to just show you the bolts and they're being taken off, so we might do like a little time lapse. Right, so the goal is basically to take this pipe off here. You can see it looks like that one there. See the two top bolts have already taken off. We'll get the bottom two off, get these off too, and these brackets as well. And I'm going to get that off too. Took this off as well, gives it a bit more easy access. It's the same 16mm, so we can access those nuts a bit easier. So it's just here right by the sump. Yeah, we'll just get started. The ramp doesn't go too high, so that's why I'm kind of standing like this, but it's done the job anyway. Got all the downpipe bolts off. You can see there it's just separating now. There's a gasket in between it as well. I think we've got a new one in there. We're going to take these off now. These are 13mm from what I've been told. I did have to use a few different tools, so once you crack them off with the big one, use a smaller ratchet because there's not much space in there to move around. For me anyway, because I'm kind of like standing like this. If I come out here, quite exciting to be fair. I know it's just maybe a simple thing to a lot of you mechanics who are watching. Yeah, first downpipe change. Alright, so the downpipe's out. As you can see, it's just completely brown. Had to hit the end with the hammer, get it off. So an idea of the difference is DECATed this one. Got the other pipe there as well, but there's a sleeve. And yeah, I gotta basically put it back onto there. So this gives an idea of how it looks like in there. We are gonna be visiting this area again soon when we do the KO4 swap. Of course, touchy straight onto the turbo, so. So we've got these on, and on this one too. We've got this bit too, we have to transfer it over. Bit of a pain to be fair, but once you get it on here, put it up there, and basically reverse the process. I won't get everything in the video because this is going to end up being like an hour long. So I'll put it down the tripod again, and yeah, we'll finally see how it sounds. Alright, so the downpipe's all on. We've still got the two top bolts to put in. But underneath, all finished. All the sensors are in as well. As you can see, it's all nice and new. Something under here is actually shiny for once. Put these supports back on too. This back box has been welded, so we had to hit this with a hammer to get it back a bit because it's a bit out over here. But yeah, all in. £100 eBay downpipe. It's been under the car for a few hours, so I'm gonna get the top two bolts secured. I won't show you guys that. We'll skip straight to the start, and yeah, we might go get some little acceleration clips. I've noticed it's not overly loud, it still is quite refined. Of course you can smell the DECAT as well. But yeah man, definitely a big improvement. I can hear a lot more of the turbo whistling. We haven't got no map on this, so there's no overrun or nothing like that. Interestingly, there's no EML light as well. I thought there would be, but nothing's propped up yet. Maybe after a bit the EML light will come on. Does sound good. We're gonna have the intake going on this weekend as well. That'll be a separate video, so we're gonna have a lot more whooshing going on. From what the guys are saying here, the main man Daz, he's off camera, but he knows all about these TFSI engines. He goes, it's quite a good DECAT for 100 quid. The welds on it and stuff like that. I don't really know too much about the different types of welds, etc., but it does sound good. Right, so just gonna head out here, get a few little DSG bangs in. I thought I'd record this so at least can hear it for myself. DRL's looking nice. Car is slowly coming together. GTI is driving away. Not bad. Can hear the downshifts a bit better, to be fair. Before you couldn't hear nothing. I mean, the sound on the downpipe, of course, is not crazy loud, but for 100 quid you can't go wrong. eBay downpipe, man. Definitely better than I expected. Yeah guys, I think what we'll do, we'll wrap up the video here. It's been a long day. Make sure you do subscribe for a lot more content to come. Also drop a thumbs up on the video if you did enjoy it. And yeah, make sure you come check out these guys at Auto 4Motion in Coventry for all your VAG needs and all that good stuff. And yeah guys, I'll see you in the next one.